May payong naman ako, hindi magpayong. Oman Exhibition Center daw to. Dito kami sa Oman Exhibition Center. Yan, mga kasama ko. Grabing init. Ano yan, pang-reel? Pang-reel ba yan? Sa'yo? Ano pangalan mo, Day?
Arlene.
Arlene?
Hi, ate.
Yan si Arlene, oh.
Magagong, recruit.
Init-init, Diyos ko.
Assalamualaikum. Grabing init.
Grabing init.
Sana tayo diba?
Yan, lumusot sila dyan. Dito sila lumusot. Grabing init. Surog ang mukha natin. Ayan sila. Ganda. Ah, yan pala, oh. Ito siya, oh. Uy, sunog mukha. Grabe init. Naghanap siguro yung garahe. Naghanap ng garahe.
Oo, punta pa tayo doon, no?
Ah,
Kabila.
takpa.
Doon kami. Doon.
Kakaway na siya.
Ha?
Kinakawayan tayo.
Sino ang kakaway?
Ayun, dalawa.
Bilisan mo na daw.
Oo. Hindi, sunod lang daw tayo. Oman Exhibition Center. Sino ang kakontak mo, si Joy din? Ha? Ah. May payong, hindi nagpayong. Init.
Hello.
Good afternoon. Barret.
Go inside.
Hi. Hi, sir. Whew. We are here in, what's this? Oman Exhibition Center.
No, there.
Yeah.
Come on.
This, what?
This one GW Hotel.
JW Hotel.
Oh, yeah.
Thank
We
you.
have to go uniform. Not this way, I think. We have the security room. They tell me come to the
Security?
yeah.
Entrance.
Yeah, entrance.
Oh, it's so far. So you need to go.
Yeah.
Take the elevator. You will find one elevator in your right hand.
Right hand.
Yeah. Go down. Okay.
Right hand and then
Yeah. Then left. Go straight.
Go
And ask
down.
someone there. Go from
not
here.
here.
Ah, here. Ah, okay.